Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. When you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. And next, let's go back up. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And give a wave when we're there. And then back down to touch our toes. Now let's stand up, feet slightly apart, and we'll rotate left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, center. And next we'll do some stretch exercises. So let's do 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And we'll finish by doing 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So today in science we're going to start learning about a new topic. And this topic is something that we use every day. Does anybody have any idea what it might be?
Water.
Excellent, water. How do we spell water? Water.
Water.
And today, with it being the first lesson of our new topic, we're going to call this an introduction. So we'll say water, an, a-n, introduction. N-T-R-O-D-U-C Water.
Water.
An introduction.
An introduction.
Okay, so water. What does water mean to you guys? When do you use water?
Drink.
We use water to drink. Okay. So drink, how do we spell?
D-O-R-I-N-K.
We use water to drink. And then I heard another word. We use water to wash. What can we wash? Everything. Wash hands, face, body. So we'll say wash body, B-O-D-Y. Wash. What else can we wash? How about clothes? We need to wash clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Anything else we can wash? We wash our bodies. We wash our clothes. Hair. Is hair body? No. Okay, we'll have hair too. W-A-S-H-H-A-I-R. The point being, we wash lots of things. Water is mainly used for washing, but we also drink water. Does anybody know what would happen if we did not drink water? Eventually we would die. Yes, our bodies are mainly made of water. So if we didn't drink water for 5 hours, we would become very thirsty. But then if we did not have water for a number of days, we would become very ill, and eventually we would die without water. It's very important. So we need water to drink. We need water to anything else? How about if we want to go swimming? Do we need water to swim? Yes. How could we swim with no water? It would be like this. We need water to dive into. So how do we spell swim?
S-W-I-M.
Swim. And swimming we can say M-I-N-G. So, any other ideas, guys? We have our 3 main ideas now. Drink, wash, swim, or swimming. Anything else? When did you use water today? What have you done today? Did you use water?
Yes.
There you go. So we need water to clean our teeth. Or, you're right, I just heard a voice say, brush. B-R-U-S-H. So we can say, clean our teeth, or brush our teeth. Both ways are correct. Anything else? Has everybody drank water so far? Yes? We've washed? Yes? Has everybody been swimming so far? Not yet? Yes? You've been swimming today? Anything else we do with water? How about if we want to play? Sometimes do we use water? What about that Songkran? Thai New Year, do we use water? What do we do? Play. We play. We can use water to play. P-L-A-Y. If I have my water gun and I can spray, or you guys, that is play water. Anything else? We wash our face. We brush our teeth. Cook. Excellent. Do we need water to cook? Yes, of course we do. If we want to make rice, do we need to put water into the rice to cook it? Yes, so we can say cook too. C-O-O-K. What do we cook? Food. F-O-O-D. So, you can see, water has many different uses. It's very important. So let's go through them again. Drink. Wash body. Or wash our body. Wash clothes. Wash our hair. Go swimming. Play. Cook food. Clean our teeth. Or brush our teeth. Okay, so that's just a brief introduction to water and some of its many uses. Well done, guys. And what we have now, we have a video and a PowerPoint presentation to tell us a little bit more about water and its importance to life on our planet. So let's turn our chairs to have a look at the PowerPoint, guys. What can you see in the picture? Earth. Yes, that's our planet. What's our planet called? Earth. Have a guess how much of our planet is made up of water? 70%. Over 2/3 of our planet is water. When you see a picture of the planet or a map, all of the blue parts is water. Like you can see, the maps is water. So ready? 70% of the earth is water. But how does water stay on our planet? It stays on our planet with something called the water cycle. The water cycle. Like we just heard about in our song before. The water cycle. There are 4 stages to the water cycle, okay? You see, this is the water cycle. Okay, so first stage, evaporation. This is when the heat from the sun causes the water to heat up, and this causes steam to rise into the sky. Then stage 2, condensation. The steam that rises gathers together to form, does anybody know what these things are? Clouds. Yes. The steam rises, and when it meets cool air again, it causes clouds to form. Then we're ready for stage 3. When we have clouds, we will get precipitation. Precipitation means when water falls from the sky. How can water fall from the sky? Rain. When it rains, you see water. Any other examples of water falling from the sky? Snow, hail, rain, and sleet. This is called precipitation. And then the final stage, collection. This is when water forms in lakes, oceans, seas. The big bodies of water are collection. So one more time, guys. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. Collection. The 4 stages of the water cycle. Stage number 1, evaporation. What can you see in the picture? The sun, yes. The heat from the sun creates steam. And that's what we call evaporation. Stage number 2, condensation. The steam that rises gathers in the sky to form clouds. And then we're ready for stage number 3, precipitation. This means when water falls from the sky. You can see, what can you see in this picture? People with their umbrellas. Rain, yes, it's raining. How about here? Snow. And do you know what these are? Ice. But when they fall from the sky, do you know what we call them? Hailstones. Yes, we call this type of weather hail. And when ice falls from the sky, they're called hailstones. And the final stage, after the water has fallen, then we need collection. The water needs to go somewhere. What can you see here? The beach and the sea. So the water is collected in the sea. But we have other types of water on our planet. We have river, lake, ocean. All of these types of places are collection. Okay, so one final time for our water cycle, we have evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. Collection. Any questions, guys? Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation about water, and also to gain a better understanding of the water cycle. That phrase again, guys, the water cycle. How do we spell the? H-E. Water. Cycle. Excellent. The water cycle. How many stages to the water cycle? 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So teachers, what we're going to do now is we're going to do a flash activity for our students to better understand the 4 stages of the water cycle. Okay, so now I'm going to ask my students to close their eyes. And we'll start with the words first. Okay, now you can open your eyes. And Prel has a word relating to the water cycle. Can you come and show your friends your word, Prel? Okay, first word, what does it say? Collection. Does anybody remember what stage is collection?
4.
Perfect. Prel is correct. Stage number 4 is collection. Okay, guys, stage 4, collection. High five, round of applause for Prel. Prel, now you can relax. Everybody else, close your eyes. Okay, open our eyes, guys. Who has the flashcard? Bang Bon, come and join me at the front. Come and show your friends your words. We have to work out what stage. Evaporation. Does anybody remember what stage evaporation is?
2.
No? No? Stage number 1. Evaporation. Can you? Evaporation. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Pankon. Okay. Okay. Now, who has the flashcard? Can we see? Down. Come and join me at the front, please. What's our word? Condensation. Now, was condensation stage 2 or 3?
3, 2,
2. Correct. So once again, all together, guys, condensation. Excellent, down. High five, round of applause. One more word. Who can we give it to? Let's see. Okay, who has the word? Who has the flashcard? Pat, come and join me at the front. So we have one stage. What stage do we think it is?
3,
How do you know?
1.
So our words here, precipitation.
Precipitation.
Pat, what stage is precipitation? Excellent. Precipitation. High five and round of applause. Well done. So our 4 stages, guys. Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Condensation.
Condensation.
Precipitation.
Precipitation.
Collection.
Collection.
These are the 4 stages of the water cycle. So now for the pictures. Let's see if we can match the pictures to the correct words. Open your eyes, please. Who has the first picture? Nadia. Can you show your friends? Okay.
The beach.
The beach. So what stage do we think the beach and the sea?
Collection.
Collection. When the water falls from the sky, it's collected. So we can call this collection. Excellent, Nadia. You can say collection. Round of applause. Okay, next picture. 2. Can you come and help me work out where this picture goes? Let's see. What's our picture of, guys? Clouds. What stage was clouds? Does anybody remember? Before then? Not 1. Stage 2. Condensation.
Condensation.
Yes, 2. So all together, condensation.
Condensation.
High five. Round of applause for Stu. Open your eyes, please, guys. Let's see. Let's see what our picture is now. What's happening in our picture? Raining. What stage was rain? 3. Yes, that's right. Precipitation
Precipitation.
is when rain falls, or snow, hail. See, if water comes from the sky, it's precipitation. High five, round of applause for Parkour. Final picture, let's see. Open our eyes, please, guys. Net. So let's see, I wonder what stage. Do you think? How do you know? What's our picture of? Sun. And what does the sun do? The sun causes evaporation.
Evaporation.
Ready, Ned? Evaporation.
Evaporation.
High five. Round of applause. Excellent, guys. So what we've got now, we've got the water cycle. Stage 1, evaporation.
Evaporation.
This is when the sun, the heat from the sun causes steam to rise. Stage 2, condensation.
Condensation.
The steam that rises in the sky forms clouds. And then we have stage number 3, precipitation.
Precipitation.
The clouds in the sky form water, and that water falls to earth. Rain, snow, sleet is all examples of precipitation.
Precipitation.
And the final stage, collection. The seas, oceans and lakes where the water forms on the planet. Okay, guys? So well done, round of applause. So now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, guys, and push in your chairs. And we will begin by walking on the spot. Stop. And let's jog on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Left again. Let's go left. And left. Hello. And then we'll jog again. Quickly. Stop. Quickly. Stop. Quick. Stop. 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 And we'll walk on the spot. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right again. And finally, turn right. Hello. And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Teachers, it's now time for our final activity for this lesson. And what we're going to do now is we're going to have our students create their own water cycle. So what you need to provide for this lesson is paper plates, 1 for every one of your students. And what your students need to do is they need to divide their paper plate into quarters. You need 4 quarters, guys. How many stages for the water cycle? 4. So what we can do is divide our paper plate into quarters and draw a picture for each one of the stages of the water cycle. And what else you need to do, for each picture that you draw, also write the name of the stage. Okay? So for stage number 1, evaporation.
Evaporation.
And that will involve a picture of the sun. And then stage number 2, condensation,
Condensation.
involves clouds. Stage 3, precipitation,
Precipitation.
you can draw rain
Rain.
or snow or hail. Okay? And finally, number 4, collection.
Collection.
So for your final stage, it will be the beach or ocean or river or lake. You can see an example I've done here where you will see the 4 stages divided into quarters. And once you've drawn your picture, you can colour too. Okay, guys? So give our students around 15 minutes for this activity and they can enjoy drawing and colouring, but also remember to have them practice writing the names of each stage. How many plates do I have here? 2. So there's 1 for you and 1 for Pat too. Can you pass one to Pat? Down. Ned,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Preo. Bang Bun,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Lak Gao,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Shu,
Thank you.
that you're welcome. There's two here. That one's for you. And that one is for Pak Bung. So do you understand what to do, guys? How many stages do you need to draw?
4.
4. So 4 quarters on our plate. First stage, evaporation. You can draw your picture that represents evaporation. Number 2, condensation. Number 3, precipitation. And finally, collection. Okay, so I'm interested to see what you will draw. And what you can do, teachers, to give your students an idea, is you can have the PowerPoint screen on the slide that shows the water cycle. So if you need any ideas, guys, you have the picture of the water cycle on the TV. Excellent. Okay, so stage number 1 will go here. What's stage number 1, Chu? Evaporation. So what will you draw for evaporation? You can draw, what's this? The sun. Do you know the sun? Yes, you can draw that. And remember, excellent, that's a good picture of the sun. And now you can write your name. So that's stage number 1. What is stage number 1 called? Evaporation. And then for stage number 2, you can think about drawing a cloud. If you need any ideas, guys, you've got the PowerPoint too. Evaporation is the sun, yes. Stage number 2, condensation, will be your cloud net. So well done. And then stage 3, precipitation, the rain. Okay? Excellent, Nadia. So stage 1, sun, evaporation. Excellent. That's a good idea. You can draw your stage, the words on the outside, and then inside you can have your picture. Some good drawings, guys. Excellent. Very good, Pangbon. Ned, excellent. Very good. Okay, so we have stage 1, and this is the cloud, stage 2. And what you can do, you can write the names of the stage on the outside. So for your sun, Pak Bung, your sun will be evaporation. If you need any more ideas, guys, you can see on the PowerPoint too. Excellent, Pat. Very good. Down. Lovely. Net, very good. Number 3 is the rain, precipitation. And then 4, finally, collect. You can draw the ocean or the sea or a river. Yes, rain. Stage 3, precipitation. Welcome back to class. We hope your students had fun designing their own water cycle, and as you can see here, my students had a good time and all did a very good job of creating their own water cycles. So one final time, guys. Stage 1, evaporation. Evaporation. Stage 2, condensation. Stage 3, precipitation. And stage number 4, collection. And well done, everybody did a great job. So that's the end of today's lesson. We hope you've had fun and found it interesting too. And we'll see you again real soon for the next lesson. Can we all wave to say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye.